Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video this morning. I was looking at Texitcoin's this minor update that Team Texitcoin released, and as I'm kind of going through it, I stumbled across this point here where he's talking about creating some using properties, buying properties to maintain the assets um, of like $10 million he's sitting on, or whatever the case is. What is he supposed to do with that? And he specifies at this point, and I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go straight there, of purchasing or acquiring properties, trying to take a move off of Tether. And guys, and I think he even mentioned that like 90+% of you guys were for it. Man, this is a horrible idea all the way up and down, left and right, front and back. And what I did here, guys, is left a comment on Team Texitcoin. So the reason I'm doing this video is because you guys might come in and see my video, see my comment, and then delete it. Well, I'm gonna make sure that this documentation is here, so even if you do delete it, it will still be here. And it's explaining why this is a very bad idea. Bobby wants to acquire these properties and even wants to go to the extreme of putting it in his name, guys. This is bad. This is really, really bad. So I do recommend you guys, Bobby, yourself, or whoever your advisors are, come out, check out this explanation here why what you're talking about is such a bad idea, and a recommendation of just sticking with Bitcoin and Tether. You've already done your research on Tether. You see what they're doing, but don't you worry about doing that. That's not your play. You just buy their asset. It's a stable coin. It's been around for a while. It's reliable. Okay. And it's what's being traded with the TXE coin, right? So stop trying to complicate things, man. I do understand you're sitting on a lot of money. You're trying to figure out what you got to do with it. Well, don't complicate it. Just move it smartly, right? All right, guys. That's all I got for you in this video. I just wanted to drop this so that you guys that are interested in investing in Texas Coin are aware of what's going on. You guys that are in it are aware. Stop kissing Bobby's butt, trying to make him feel good about every idea he says, guys. That is not going to help the protocol grow or help it be stable or sustainable, guys. Use your mind, think for yourself, and give the man the type of feedback he's looking for, even if it's not aligned with what he has in mind. All right, guys, that's it for this one, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.